Hi dear students, so welcome again. Hope you will enjoy this session, so come with me. Now first of all I will introduce AutoCAD. What is an AutoCAD? Simply, what does it mean, AutoCAD? Actually, AutoCAD was developed by Autodesk company in the year 1982 at California in USA. Okay, so AutoCAD is an US based software. Today, AutoCAD has become the world's most well-known software as designing and drafting point of view, and this software is used to create highly precise 2D and 3D designs. Clear? So in this complete AutoCAD training, you will learn how to get started with AutoCAD from ground level. Okay, I will start this from zero level so you will understand everything with me. In this course, we are going to learn about 60 commands and these will be very enough for us. Okay. So after the completion of this course, you will be able to work with AutoCAD competently in any industry like as engineering, product design, manufacturing, etc. Okay, you will be able to work with any industry. So let's move to course. But before starting the course, first of all, you should know some points here. For this training, I am using AutoCAD 2014 and the latest version is 2021. So some icons or ribbon or dialog boxes may look different with the latest version of AutoCAD. Okay, but don't worry about that because the basic concept is same. Okay, but it is my recommendation to use at least AutoCAD 2012 because with more older version we have more difference in basic concept also. So let's start.